truly a life-changing retreat for me because, I think in a number of ways, because it even helped my writing. Because I think if there's something that you're afraid to say, or you're afraid to say in front of a big enough audience, that's going to show up on the page and it's going to show up in other parts of your life. So going there, I was just kind of hoping, like anyone, like a couple going to therapy or something, for some tips and tricks and maybe, a little bit of footage or something. But being in that group and getting up on the stage over and over and over and getting comfortable with that warm audience, learning how to kind of command the stage and use body language like deliberately instead of either just standing there behind the podium like I probably would normally do, or, just kind of frantically pacing or using my hands not deliberately, getting comfortable with that. It was so much more natural than I thought it would be. And then I don't know how one weekend could do this, but I left there with so much more comfort and so much more confidence, because before that, I was like heart pounding in my chest, in my ears, not able to think. So all the stuff that I would want to say, the people wanted to hear from me until I got comfortable with that group. Like if it was a group of students, I just would lose track of what I was thinking. And magically, like once you have that comfort in yourself and your strength, I'm not going to say I don't get nervous. I definitely still do, but not to the point where I can't think and I can't impart my message. So for a book person we consider ourselves very introverted, I really, really recommend doing something like that. So I was teaching at Stanford. So I went there and I was with people who were there to hear what I had to say. So it was like a different kind of audience that was really interested in books. And I had that comfort walking around and talking, whatever. And I was shocked by the feedback. I was hoping to hold my own. And that was part of why I was glad I had the retreat first. But people's reviews were like anonymous reviews. And they were saying I was a gifted speaker and charismatic. And I'm like, okay, I have never heard that before in my life. So it was pretty cool to tap into just figuring out what your strengths are and how to use that in a way that's comfortable for you.